Record video clip is one of those features in Microsoft Teams that people may see but rarely use. Let me give you a couple great examples of why you would use this. And a new enhancement to it is you can record your screen now. You used to not be able to do this in the past. Also, used to be limited to 1 minute. You can now go 5 minutes on your recording. So maybe example number one, there is a new hire starting, and the week the new hire starts, you're out of town on vacation. You can record a video clip welcoming them to the team. But I'm going to actually record my screen. So here I go. This works the same in a one-on-one chat, a group chat, and also in a channel. It's in the same place. I'm going to click in my chat with Carol, go over to Actions and Apps, the plus symbol, and here is Record Video Clip. After I open it up, there I am over on that camera. I'll move it in 1 second. Let me show you what I have here first. There's camera on and off, mic on and off. There's screen, backdrops. You can put in your script right here, and you have the effects option. But what I want to actually do is record my screen. So let me move this camera. That works. Go ahead and open up whatever application you want to share. I'm going to share Excel. It doesn't matter. I'm going to hit start recording. I lied. I'm not going to hit start recording. So here's delete clip. Thank you. Try again. I'm going to click screen. And over here in the bottom left, there I am in a circle. You can go square on the right. You can go star. And finally, you can do the cutout picture in picture. I'm going to stay with the circle. When I hit start screen recording, this is when make sure you have your screen already pulled up. Let me go ahead and do this. What do you want to record? I've already got Excel running right here, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit share. There is my Excel window in the front here. I don't need this column, so I could be saying, Carol, delete the column E. We don't need it. And then I could have her coming in here, telling her how to convert these into actual minutes and seconds, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to click around a little bit. Perfect. I'm going to hit stop sharing. There's my clip, and it's already previewing it for me right in this window here. There's trim. You just saw me delete the clip. I can record more, and there is music. Once it's done, click on the arrow to the right to continue. But up in the top right, I could hit the arrow pointing down to download this if I want to. I'm going to hit continue though. There is my recording, and then just type in the message you want to put in there for Carol, like here are the steps you need to follow for what we need for this report. I'll just go ahead and send this off though. That simple to either just record just yourself or to record the screen. That's actually a great feature also if you need to do some support like I did with Carol. And then also you can download the transcript or you can download the video, and Carol can too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.